All right, hello everyone. Back here with another quick little tutorial. Um, Today we're just gonna show you guys how to use the Dero RPC bridge without using Engram, in case that isn't working for you guys. But to start off, I already assume you have like a wallet made and stuff. So go in Dero folder here, and normally what you do is you just double click this and get going. But instead, we're going to be going to show more options. We're going to, where is the create a shortcut? There we go. And then this shortcut shows up here. We'll just rename this online wallet. Drag this to our desktop so we know where it is. And then here we go to properties. And then in this target here, go to the very end, space, dash dash, remote, so know it's online, space, dash dash, RPC, dash server, space, dash dash, RPC, dash login. And now after login here is what we're going to use to uh, log into our wallet online. I'd use something a little bit more secure than this, but just for the demo, I'm going to do username and then colon password. So our username is username and our password is password. Click apply. Okay. So now if we double click this, this is all normal. You just probably see this otherwise, but we'll be able to notice a difference after we open our wallet. So we'll just go to my wallets I have made here. Nice. And then to check that this is working, if we go here and that's connected, make sure this is refreshed, it's connected, we can see my Dero in there. So if we go to something like private islands, we shouldn't be getting any error messages. And there you go. Pretty simple. I know this is for Windows, but I'll come up with a Linux tutorial for you guys too. And thanks for watching.